non-Christmas original, and then I'll play the Christmas hit of mine called Glow. Thank you. Oh, there's a sing-along part to Glow. How sing-alongy are we feeling tonight? Yeah, okay, cool. So one more song and then we'll go over the requirements for Glow. You can stream the Christmas song Glow. It's on Spotify under my band name, Meg and the Magnetosphere. iTunes as well, Apple Music, whatever you call it. I haven't played this keyboard in such a long time. Does it sound okay out there? Is it balanced sounding? It sound okay? Thanks. I mean, not my playing. I mean, that's okay. But yeah, the balance out of the speaker is so strange after playing guitar for so long out of it. And this is called The Sound You Know. Most of you have heard it before. It is a song to remind songwriters and artists to not doubt yourself. And even when sometimes you're writing a darker song and you're like, oh, I'm supposed to write happy stuff, blah, you know, it's okay because the sound, you know, is coming from love, even if the contents that you write seems a little heavy or dark. That's what this song is about. And there's also a little play on it for the music theory folks out there. A half step in any direction will change the sound to love, or change it, of course, to a more positive sound, so I play with that minor major in this song. Don't sing a lie, there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. You hide and you cry and you say you can't find what you need in yourself is some peace of mind. So don't sing a lie, there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. Don't you know what you're doing to me? But you're not. If you're faking, there's no faking the dream. And now we're starting to see if we change the key. And now I'm starting to see if I change the key. So don't sing a lie, there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. There's some place inside, it's not right, it's not wrong, but it's bright and it's strong like you could be, like you are, like we are.